Installation of Patiowell 10 feet x 10 feet metal shed top support bar. Before the installation starts, make sure you have all the accessories you need. We start by placing the components 9, GR, and 9 in the direction shown in the video, and then connect them. Once the connection is completed, insert both the left and right sides of the C2 in, being mindful of the assembly direction of component C2. Then place the two assembled sidebars onto the top of the W1A board, paying attention to the upward and downward orientation of the bars, and insert the V2 washer before tightening the F1 screw. Note that the hole of the 9th bar is replaced by a slot. The other side of the side bar should follow the same procedure. Next, we will assemble the front support bar. We placed and assembled 7 Gs, 8 according to the direction showed in the video, and punch in the F1 screws. At the same time, pay attention to the direction of the rod placement. Make sure that the direction of the connection screw hole is facing the interior of the shed, so that the upper part of the rod hole position facing upwards. Then we snap the 7 and 8 crossbars into the front C2 components, and fix them with F1 screws and V2 spacers. After fixing it, we will do the assembly of the rear support rod. We placed and assembled the 10 Gs. 10 are components according to the video placement direction, and drove F1 screws in the connections. When installing the rear support bar to the house, we need to pay attention to the direction of the installation for the rear support bar so that the direction of the attachment screw holes is aligned with the inside of the house in order to make the upper holes of the bar facing upwards. Then group together the rear support bar and the two side bar sets, inserting 2 square tubes on each side. If one side of the square tube cannot be inserted because of its length, the wall panel can be gently pulled outward by hand to leave space for installation, and then fixed with F1 screws and V2 spacers. The top fixing bar is then installed.